Hi everyone, today I will review about 4 setting powder. First one is Lakme 9 to 5 powder. Second one is Revolution HD matte powder. Third one is Parampara shadow powder. And fourth one is bellavita powder with SPF 40. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 powder. It has some kind of shimmer particles which gives you a dewy effect on your face. After applying this powder, you can see my face. My skin is glowing. This is Revolution HD matte setting powder. It gives you a such kind of matte finish. It is long lasting, sweat proof and waterproof also. On this side I apply this powder. It gives matte finish. You can see my face. This is parampara shadow powder. I have applied this powder on my face. This side. It is long lasting, sweat proof and waterproof. It gives you a matte finish look. It has very nice fragrance. This is the bellavita Antonio powder with SPF 40. This is the color of the powder. It has very nice fragrance. It is very much long lasting product. It is sweat proof and waterproof also. I have applied this powder on my face. You can use it on daily basis. It is a herbal product. This side I apply parampara powder and this side I apply bellavita powder. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.